Kwithukiiwa kwa Ikoani ya Kunguthulwa Kivilani kwa ula wa Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua Umunthi Nikwoosa Mukondo Mweu Itina wa Mawokili make Kutavya Koti wa Yiulu Kana Iseso ya Kumuvetanga Gachagua Kivilani Iyatiia Nzia ila Syailite sya Kikatiba Indi Yaothotheewe ni uteti ainena mbe wa asili atatuma makwani kotini uwa Yiulu uwakili wa Gachagua kibe mungai ni waweta kana Kunguthulwa Kivilani kwa mutongoi ona wiva kuyaile kusangiwa ni uteti na kwa ile kuatia miao mwaka mweu ni wakutoa mbisi ya vilingi na ilivote.
Ikoani ila ula wa Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua wathakisie kotini wa Yiulu iliana na kuvetangwa kwake kuma ofisini ni alika muthenani wa keli kwisua uu.
The National Assembly did not meet the thresholds of Article 10 and Article 118 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010.
Atita ima Gachagua mathiendea na kunya ukusi wo kana Gachagua vetangi ofisini kwa Nzia sya kisiasa Indi Kikatiba kandi ya Kenya kaateiwe na vala utane wa evuso ya kuitetea mbunge ni ya Senate Itina wake kusembwa sivitale katikati wa Iseso yeu.
The evidence on Mr. Nyengenye's affidavit in regard to the Hansons will bear as evidence that the Speaker did not deploy the modification mechanisms. The failure to modify this mechanism, Your Lordship, meant that the Deputy President was denied the available legal tools under Article 50 of a fair hearing. It was imperative upon the Speaker to inform the Senate of the necessity to modify the procedures for impeaching the Deputy President.
Senate acted in breach of its own standing orders, including standing orders number 75, 78, and 80, thereby rendering the proceedings procedurally ultra-vires.
Atata ima Gachagua ni maweta kana kwenana na undu mbunge ya Senate ya Assembly kumuvetanga ofisi ni Gachagua kuonania kulikililwa kiuteti Indi kuondoa kweli uthukumi wa ofisi wa Munini wa President.
The Senate at the National Assembly was not in pursuit of good governance. It was not in pursuit of transparency. It was not in pursuit of accountability. It was not in pursuit of the rule of law. It was in pursuit of political elimination.
The impeachment proceedings against the Deputy President were conducted in violation of the Constitution of Kenya and were therefore unconstitutional, null and void.
Ingini maweta kana kuvetangu kwa Gachagua atekunewa mwanya wa kuielesya ni kutola muyao na kivuthia kinene kwa katiba kandi ya Kenya.
My humble submission that at least with the trial of Jesus Christ, Jesus was given the opportunity to be heard in this impeachment process. It really, when you look at it and you look in a constitutional democracy of the 21st century such as Kenya, with a constitution that is celebrated across the globe, with a constitution that has fidelity to human rights and due process, you can really make a conclusion that this parliament sank very low. The Speaker of the Senate went ahead to put a vote on whether someone's constitutional rights of a fair hearing should be respected. Your Article 50 contains rights that are not only inalienable but also non-derogable, and that was a great violation of the Constitution.
Ilivotia vilingi wa Movo nitoa mwaka mweu.